5 incredible ways to deal with emotional disconnection in your marriage. Hi, friends. Welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the ways to deal with emotional disconnection you often experience with your spouse. What exactly does emotional disconnection mean to your marriage? When you're unable to share your feelings with your spouse, you feel disconnected from him or her. When your emotions and feelings are discarded by your spouse, there is complete emotional disconnection between you. It is sad that most of you suffer from emotional disconnection in your married life. The initial days of love and emotional sharing between you disappears as years go by. After a few years of your marriage, your relationship lacks emotional bonding and emotional well-being. Your relationship has slipped that much into emotional distance between you. Today's video will be showcasing 5 simple ways to deal with emotional disconnection your relationship is suffering from. The number 1 way to deal with emotional disconnection in your marriage is by being communicative. Most of the time, your married life suffers from lack of communication between you. When there is no communication between you and your spouse, you are unable to share your feelings. Inability to share your feelings with your spouse often proves to be a grave relationship breaker. It is because when your emotions are trapped within you, you feel suffocated and jailed in your married life. You want to share many of your feelings with your spouse, but often you find it impossible to. Many a time your feelings and emotions are left dormant within you. Your unshared emotions torment you, making you feel completely unloved by your spouse. Your suppressed emotions make you feel discarded and neglected in your relationship. You should never let this scenario continue any longer. If you do so, you might as well feel that your relationship is not good enough for you. The simplest trick to deal with this unwanted situation is to communicate with your spouse about everything under the sky. For that, you should take whatever your spouse says in the right spirit. If you do so, your spouse will feel comfortable to be open and communicative with you. When your spouse takes whatever you say in the right spirit, you will feel comfortable to share your feelings with him or her. So, both should be understanding towards the emotions of each other. You should realize that you're living with your spouse, not with some stranger from whom you should lock your emotions. So, increase the level of communication between you. When you do so, you'll be surprised by the speed with which the emotional disconnection between you disappears. The number 2 way to deal with emotional disconnection in your relationship is by being appreciative. When there is no appreciation from your spouse, you feel he or she is taking you for granted. When you're not appreciative, your spouse feels you are taking him or her for granted. When both feel that you're being taken for granted, it emotionally disconnects you from each other. When you're unappreciated, it also brings unwanted resentment and bitterness into your relationship. Appreciation is a wonder tool which should never be ignored by you. When you're appreciative, your spouse feels that you value him or her. When your spouse is appreciative towards you, you feel valued by him or her. Appreciation is that much of a sure winner to break the emotional disconnection between you. The number 3 way to deal with emotional disconnection in your relationship is by being supportive. You often let your spouse fend for himself or herself when he or she is suffering from tremendous stress and tension, not knowing that it creates unwanted rift between you. To feel happy in your relationship with your spouse, you must feel protected and sheltered by him or her. When you're feeling downcast, you want the support of your spouse more than anything else. And when your spouse is feeling emotionally crushed, he or she wants you to support him or her unconditionally. This feeling of wanting to be protected and supported in your relationship needs to be attended to because it is very important. You can easily do away with the unwanted emotional disconnection between you by being supportive towards the emotions of your spouse. When you're the first to support your spouse in his or her times of emotional needs, your relationship becomes enjoyable to both. The number 4 way to deal with emotional disconnection in your relationship is to spend quality time together. In today's modern marriages, it is common to see couples living an isolated sort of relationship, with each doing their own thing. The digital world has stormed into your relationship, destroying all the goodness in it. You spend most of your time in the social media. Your spouse does the same. How wrong can you be? When you do not spend quality time with your spouse, you become more like roommates, living in the same house because you're married. This is not how your marriage should be. But sadly, this is how your relationship with your spouse is. Most of you live in the same house but like strangers. You do your own thing and your spouse does his or her thing. This sort of a scenario will only intensify the emotional disconnection between you. Instead, spend valuable time together with your spouse. Talk frankly and openly with each other. Do not hide your feelings from each other. Spending your time with each other is a simple way to build your relationship. When you spend time together, you have so much to talk about and so much to do for your family. Quality time together is the easiest way out of the emotional disconnection that has creeped into your relationship. The number 5 way to deal with emotional disconnection in a relationship is by being caring and loving. Being loving and caring towards each other is the essence of a good marriage. You love your spouse, there's no doubt about it. But often you do not display the care and love you feel towards your spouse. Your spouse also loves you, but he or she too does not display it. Undisplayed love and care makes both feel unloved and uncared. Lack of display of love and care makes you feel as though you're living through a loveless marriage. When you feel unloved by your spouse, each and every day of your marriage becomes agonizing to you. You cannot hope for emotional well-being in your marriage when you're not demonstrative of your love and care for your spouse. You should immediately forego this habit, which is making the emotional disconnection between you assume a mammoth proportion. Both should display the love you have for each other openly and frankly, because displayed love and care easily does away with the emotional disconnection your marriage is suffering from. Can you see how simple it is to overcome emotional disconnection between you? Follow it if you must enjoy great emotional connection between you and your spouse. Did this video make you understand the ways to deal with emotional disconnection your marriage is suffering from? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.